Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ekonomi kreatif. Dari 110 event seluruh Indonesia, salah satunya adalah Festival Bidar yang dilaksanakan di Kota Palembang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang kami hormati khususnya pelaksana kegiatan pada hari ini, Kepala Dinas Pariwisata Kota Palembang, Bapak Dr. Andes Haji Ki Agus Sulaiman Amin, beli duren, baliknya mampir, beli cermin. Pariwisata Palembang semakin maju dan keren karena Kepala Dinasnya Pak Sulaiman Amin.
carve your name into those shining stars. He said, go venture far.